Ladies and gentlemen, we are looking at one funny box, but that is the Samsung B-Series soundbar model B630F, and let's get in there. All right, so there is the contents of the box there laid out in front of you. You got your soundbar, you got your subwoofer right there. It's wireless, I may add. And then you can see you got a remote control in the middle there. There's your power cables and optical cables. It comes with batteries too, by the way, the remote, which is great. And you got your user manual on that side and a wall mounting kit.
Now let's talk about some of its cool features, shall we? Like its dedicated built-in center channel speaker. Now what that does is it increases dialogue clarity, so you get those crisp, clear voices.
You won't need to purchase rear speakers either, because the Dolby Audio plus the DTS Virtual has you covered, which is a multi-directional spatial audio or surround sound that moves all around you, making you feel at the center of movies, TV shows, or games.
Plus, if you have a Samsung TV, you can use your own Samsung TV remote to control key soundbar functions like power, volume, and different sound effects. But you're going to want to check the Samsung website out to see if your TV is compatible first.
You would also be happy to know that this soundbar is smart. How smart? Well, the soundbar recognizes the type of content you're watching and automatically adopts audio settings to produce the clearest, most detailed sound experience. I'm a big Bluetooth fan, and you can connect up to 2 devices to your soundbar, like an iPad or a laptop, and switch between them seamlessly, so you can play your favorite music from either device without disconnecting. Now, I'd just like to show you how easy this is. You just want to hold that source button down on top of your soundbar just like that. You hold it down for 5 seconds, and then you can see on the laptop there, you open your Bluetooth settings. It will notice it, and boom, it is paired up just like that, folks. According to my sound test in a previous video, I found the sound quality rivals that of much more expensive brands. With its detailed highs and a punchy back end, thanks to the wireless subwoofer.
Overall, this soundbar and subwoofer combo by Samsung is a beast. I mean, it's great value for your money. It was a breeze to set up, and I was fortunate enough to use my TV remote as well, which was an added plus. I hope you guys found this video informative and entertaining, and I hope to see y'all in the next one. Bye for now.